Let's make a layout that is slightly more complicated. Here, we have an edit text for you to type something in, and then two buttons where you can either cancel or say OK. What do we need here is two linear layouts nested in one another. The outer linear layout is vertical to allow two rows, the first row containing the edit text, and then the second row containing the two buttons. But we cannot just put the two buttons in there directly, because that will make them all vertical instead of the two buttons against each other horizontally. This is why we need to put in a nested linear layout, which is of horizontal orientation, and put the two buttons right next to each other. It's a little bit clearer when we see it in picture. Here, I have removed all the extra attributes to highlight the important part. On the outer linear layout, we have orientation vertical, which allows us to put two things inside. The first thing is the edit text. The second is another linear layout, inside which we have two buttons. They are placed horizontally with gravity to the right so that they are lined up against the right edge of the screen. Here, we're using a nested linear layout to achieve this effect, but we can also do it in a different way. We can use a relative layout, in which case we don't need to nest anything because we can specify the position of the views against each other. We'll cover relative layout in the next module.